Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by launching slideshow mode. This is the one effective route to control slide timing and animations. First, save your file and press F5 to start from the first slide or Shift plus F5 from the current slide. Make sure your display settings are correct if using multiple monitors. Once in slideshow, use a clicker, spacebar, enter, or left click to move forward, exits. This method ensures animations, transitions, and embedded media play as intended, so start here without toggling other views. Once the show is running, focus on precise control. You can advance with right arrow, page down, or space. Go back with left arrow. If you want real-time cues, enable presenter view to see your notes and the next slide while the audience sees only the slide. To automate pacing, open the Transitions tab and set a timing for each slide, but make sure animations have start conditions set to with previous or on click as required. This combination gives you predictable movement and professional delivery. To conclude, press ESC or Ctrl+ break to exit slideshow and save any rehearsed timings when asked. Make sure to run a quick rehearsal so you know slide durations and animations perform correctly. If slides aren't advancing on the external display, verify display mirroring versus extended desktop and set presenter view accordingly. If embedded video or audio fails, embed the files or convert to a supported format and test on the presentation machine. These steps finalize the process and solve the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.